back to Fancy Friday with Kat. Today is the second week of Scrapless and we are going to be making a scrunchie with so-called bunny ears. So let's jump right into it. For this DIY you will need some pins, a safety pin, either a ruler or a tape measure, your scraps of fabric, the pattern that I will be linking down below, and of course your elastic. You will also need to make a long rectangle 18 by 4 inches. So here I'm measuring 18 inches and then 4 inches. Then take another piece of your scrap fabric and fold it in half and place your pattern piece on it and then pin it down and cut it out. Once you have the fabric cut out, unpin it and repeat the same process again. Now unpin your fabric again and then open the fabric so it looks something like this. Then place and pin the two skinny fabrics together. And when you sew it all together, make sure that you leave a big enough gap at the end so you can turn it easily inside out. Here I'm turning the fabric inside out. Now fold your big piece in half and then measure 2 inches from both sides, and this is where you will not be sewing. Then just pin the rest of your fabric down. So now we are going to be sewing right here along, and make sure you start here and stop here. Here I'm just unpinning my fabric and then turning it inside out. Now take your long piece of fabric and put the extra 2 inches pretty to pretty side together. Then just pin it all in place, and you can definitely use less pins than I did.
What a wonderful What a wonderful world.
Okay, so now it's time for our elastic. So open it up and measure exactly 9 inches. And then take your safety pin and pin it in place. And then just put it all through the scrunchie. Now take the 2 ends from the elastic and we're just going to sew them together with our sewing machine. Okay guys, now we are just going to fold in the fabric a little and then sew it together again. This is the stitch, and just get rid of any last minute thing. And our very last step is just tie the bunny ears around the scrunchie, and then you are done. So this is the scrunchie.
What a wonderful world.
So much.
I don't trust you. 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 Don't mess up. No, this is way too short. Please stop. Don't cut it. Don't cut it. No, that's not even. That's not even. the thing.